We have finished with the resources, and now we are going to see some other types of problem and some other resources that you should see. I said that if I am doing mining, then I said ill-defined government policy. If I am talking about the government has ill-defined government policy, I said that ill-defined government policy means there is, I said that selective extraction. First it is, I said that government policy क्या कर रही है, what they are doing, ill defined है, therefore the extractor or people involved in mining are doing what, selective extraction, understood, and other become waste. इसको कौन पे करेगा? इसका मतलब वो केवल अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें निकाल रहे हैं, थोड़ा छोड़ दे रहे हैं, लेकिन वो भी तो यूजेबल है. इफ़ आई एम टेकिंग कि मैंने बिटुमिस निकाल दिया, लिग्नाइट छोड़ दिया, लिग्नाइट निकाल दिया, पिट छोड़ दिया, they are doing, I said that selective mining and making others, I said that waste, understood, and therefore we should have what strict law, and it has been made in the, I said that 2002 and 2003, and therefore and thereafter in 92 93, उससे पहले 1963, understood. So there are the three periods are there in the 1963, then there is a 19, I said that 1993, and then there is, I said that 2002 and 2003. Mineral policies. These are what? Mineral and metal protection policy. Mineral and metals protection policy. 1963 बहुत ही बकवास था. फिर आ गया हमारा 93, दैट इज गुड. उसी में थोड़ा सा बदलाव है इन द 2002 इन द 2003. Understood? So we have an ill-defined government policy. Understood? So therefore the extraction, it is, I said that becoming what I said selective, and the selective extraction make the several waste. So for those waste become, who is responsible for paying those laws, which are also minerals. Next one, I said that obsolete technology. Again we are doing obsolete technology and unscientific technology, unscientific method, and then this is also again extraction become extraction of valuable minerals converting into what, waste, and therefore we need what, a strong mineral policy, yes or not? We need a strong mineral policy. So extraction of valuable minerals converting into वेस्ट. जब आप टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है तो आप किस में से क्या निकाल रहे हो? अभी मैंने बोला कि पानी निकाल रहा हूँ, पानी में से मुझे थोड़ा सा गोल्ड मिल जा रहा है, थोड़ा सा ये मिल जा रहा है, तो वहाँ पे तो पूरा मिनरल्स है. तो देयर इज बी एन व्हाट गुड साइंटिफिक मेथड दैट वी शुड यूटिलाइज. अंडरस्टूड? And then inadequate transport facilities. If I am talking about, I said that distribution of minerals is in irregular way. कैसा है? In irregular pattern, not in a particular fixed area. यहाँ and we don't have better what, transportation network. Generally we use what? We use railway transportation. Yes, and that is making the things we use railway transport, it is making it costly. Raw material become what? Costly. Raw material become what? Costly. So हमें क्या यूज करना चाहिए? We should make हमें बनाना चाहिए, we should make water way develop करना चाहिए. Cheapest transportation that the government should do. I said that inadequate transport facility the government is providing. Therefore, I said that raw material become costly and production cost increases very high. Understood? So distribution of minerals is irregular pattern that don't, and जब इधर उधर होंगे तो it is in a very hard for the government to develop and best transportation infrastructure. So there is a what there should be, I said that infrastructure पे बहुत अच्छा काम करना होगा. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि गवर्नमेंट आज के डेट में ही इज वर्किंग ऑन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, working on, though he indirectly providing lots of employment, but those infrastructure when developed, the lots of industry, agriculture and other economic sector will start developing and they will start demanding more employment. So there is there. I said that inadequate exploration and prospecting of minerals. Again, we do not have what is the best way method that if I say that after 1950s, 1960s, we are not putting emphasis in the what is an interior region of Odisha, interior region of Jharkhand, interior region of Chhattisgarh, interior region of MP, Maharashtra, to explore more minerals, which is I said that, and then it will be the future and prospects of India will be what? Better. So we are not doing, I said that केवल अभी हमने देखा था अभी 2011 में we are finding out कोडप्पा में, क्या हमें पहले नहीं पता चल सकता था? So we have a lack of technology also. We have what I said that, so inadequate exploration and prospecting of minerals. लिख लेंगे next point. Inadequate exploration and prospecting of several valuable minerals. I said that inadequate exploration and prospecting of minerals, since now in several regions of India, which are considered as mineral reserve region, due to lack of technology, government policy and their implementation, several mineral regions are not explorable. Next point, lack of conservation, lack of awareness regarding conservation, After mining in inadequate manner, they used to leave behind large open area as a wasteland or ravine type of topography. As a wasteland or ravine type of topography. And this mining area should be properly filled up this mined area, not mining, these mined areas should be properly filled up and utilized for agricultural practices and social forestry. तो ये जो माइनिंग एरिया जो ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं, ये बन जाता है क्या, वेस्टलैंड. एंड इसको मैं कहती फिल्ड अप कर दूं बाय द फ्लाई एस डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट इफ विल फिल्ड अप इट कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू सम सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री. यहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट्री लगा सकते हैं एंड ऑल. नहीं तो ये कंप्लीटली क्या बना के चले जाते हैं, वेस्टलैंड. अंडरस्टूड, रेमाइन टाइप. अंडरस्टूड. सो द कंजर्वेशन. एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ मिनरल वोर्स देखा जाए तो सिंस इंडिपेंडेंस एंड वी आर फॉलोइंग द सेम मेथड एज ब्रिटिशर्स वेर यूजिंग इंडिया एज अ एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ मिनरल्स. Until now we are we are doing in the same method, what exporting more minerals and what consuming less minerals in India. That we have seen. I said that कहाँ गया है government? I am not talking Congress, I am not talking BJP, I am talking India. Understood? So write down, since independence, export of mineral ores. Topic है export of mineral ores. Since independence, India is exporting minerals till now in the same pattern, as it was happening during British period. Means export of raw material and import of finished product. In this sector only marginal change has been found. And यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो there is no as such, if you see Jharkhand, if you see Odisha, if you see Chhattisgarh, if you see MP, Telangana, Vidarbha, which is a mineral reserve regions, these regions are not facing, these regions not having what, infrastructural development, and due to lack of infrastructure development there is no FDI. So there is no development. There is no development that led to what I said, that no social, no economic development that led to the growth of Naxalism. And that regular strikes are taking place by these people. So there is यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है, worker strikes and Naxalite attacks. Or these regions are what I said, that facing which effect? जो भी heavy industrialization हुआ, it is facing backwards effect. So write down this, worker strikes and Naxalite attack. These regions, these mineral reserve regions, are facing lack of infrastructural development. Therefore, in this region, FDI, MNCs and other inclusive growth phenomena is not taking place. Neither social development nor economic development, which led to the growth of nationalism and workers' strikes, generally due to exploitation. So these are the minerals and problems है, समझ में आ गया completely? Yes. Next one that we have to see, conservation of minerals. What do we have to see? Conservation of, और ये आपके notes में है. These are the things are there. जहाँ पे मैंने explain करना था वहाँ पे मैंने आपको explain कर दिया. It is also there in the notes, but explained parts are not there. Here it is, I said that minerals को how can we conserve? By the judicious use? Yes or not? How much, how it should be, कितना use करना चाहिए, sustainable and all. Efficient technology there should be. Finding alternatives to the minerals. If this mineral is not there, then we should try to find with the help of technology. If there is if the mineral